If the microwave oven light bulb is not working, here are the top 4 most probable causes. The light bulb itself may have simply burned out. You should replace the bulb with a new one before replacing any other component. You should also make sure the bulb is threaded tightly in the socket. It's also possible that the light socket is malfunctioning. With a working bulb installed, you can test the socket with a multimeter to determine if the component has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the socket tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Although it is not a common problem, the main control board may be defective. You should inspect the bulb and test the light socket first to ensure they're working properly before replacing the control board. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs, but since the high voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your microwave oven.